Today we'll have a short episode, but as promised, I'll be explaining to you how to link to games that are not from Steam in your Steam library so that your Steam Link device will work. But first, my name is Steve Smith, this is TQA Weekly. I need you all to do three things first. Actually, it's two actions, but it leads to three things occurring. The first thing is, go to your game launchers and disable the overlay. The overlays can cause issues, so we don't want any issues and we want this to work for everybody. The second thing is to make sure that all those game launchers, including Steam, launch with Windows for two reasons. Well, number one, by launching with Windows, it will take less time to launch the launcher because it will be already online. And also by allowing the launchers to launch with Windows, they will also update the video games in question, meaning that your video games will also launch faster because they won't be busy updating. Get it? We're going to be doing this with Battle.net, but this works with everything else. Let's get to the desktop view. So, this is really good because Steam at least thinks of all the streamers. Bottom left corner, right here. Click Add a Game. Click Add a non-Steam game. Make sure the overlay is disabled for whatever you're trying to get on. Click the program. You'll have a checkbox. And click Add Selected Programs. Now, if the game doesn't come with a game launcher, you can click Browse and actually go and get the game itself. But if it came with a launcher, which most games do come with a launcher now, this is the way you do it. And then you click Add Selected Program. You'll have an icon, which is now up here. And you click play and it will launch the launcher. That is it. Now, when you go into the big picture mode with your controller, you'll be clicking on Battle.net and then you'll be selecting the game you want to play, and that's it. It's the same principle for Uplay, Origin, GOG, and everything else. That is the way, that is the easiest for everybody to get all the games that they want to work. Now, if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com, for everything else, as well as the show notes of this episode, the ability to search for other episodes based on Steam and Steam-linked devices, as well as other stuff like the contact form. You can all get that at tqaweekly.com. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.